Line-up TV category. And I wish to thank you from all of us at Panasonic for coming to our TV launch event. In the past 3 years, we were all challenged by the COVID pandemic, pushed to change our lives, hobbies, and working habits significantly, and we succeed. We work remotely from home.
That we collaborate with Panasonic is that we have a huge history together with using the plasmas from the beginning and now the OLEDs in our grading suites as a client monitor, which is amazing because what we realized back in late 28, I think, was that we could have the clients in the grading room not in sitting behind the grader and watching the small monitor, we could have them watching their own monitor. It was amazing for us. At that time, Panasonic did not work with us, but they did not realize yet that it would need to work with us to make this happen. So with the OLEDs, it's even more fantastic. So we had a 65-inch monitor on set for the actor, for the director, for the DOP, so they could experience the scope of what we did. So we did playback and as well saw the picture real live from the camera. And that's never happened before, what I know. And the success story was instant, because how can we not have a 65-inch screen in the reality in the future? But the problem is that they are big, so they are not that easy to carry around. But working with Panasonic and getting this opportunity is for us a real benefit, but the biggest benefits for the graders in the grading suite. And let's see. Yes, I think I had said everything. But so back to Martin.
Thank you very much for that. Music is one of the most important parts of every movie production. So let's ask Judy Davidson, senior consultant from Picture Shop, the well-known post-production company, what a role Panasonic TVs have in color grading process. Judy, please come with us.
Thank you, Martin, for a great introduction. My name is Jodie Davidson, and for the last 14 years I've been a colorist at Picture Shop in London. Picture Shop is a worldwide post-production facility that specializes in delivering high-quality picture finishing services for films and television shows. Over the course of my career, I've been fortunate enough to work on a number of award-winning TV series and feature films like It's a Sin and The Souvenir. There have been some quick glimpses of these in the reel you just saw. The role of the colorist is to carefully balance and manipulate color, tone, and contrast to support the narrative, to evoke specific emotions, and to help enhance the story's impact. Collaboration with the filmmakers is a key aspect of the colorist's creative process. This collaborative approach allows colorists to interpret and translate the intended look and feel of the film or TV show onto the screen. It's important for filmmakers to have the very best viewing monitors to make these informed decisions. Accurate colors are paramount to preserving the filmmaker's intended vision, ensuring that the audience experiences the story exactly as intended. That is why we use Panasonic OLED TVs as the client reference monitor in all of the grading suites at Picture Shop. I'm excited to be here to share my knowledge of how good these OLEDs are and how we use the Panasonic OLEDs for grading the TV series The Wheel of Time. The Wheel of Time is a fantasy TV series produced by Amazon Studios. The series delves into themes of destiny, love, political intrigue, and the struggle between good and evil, with people that can wield a powerful force known as the One Power. The story follows our heroes as they embark on a journey that can potentially save or destroy the world and the consequences of choices made in the face of adversity. The use of color was crucial in establishing different locations, desired atmosphere, and political factions of the characters, as well as character intentions. The first 6 episodes of The Wheel of Time were graded during lockdown. It wasn't possible for all of the creative team to be in the same room at the same time. We had to grade remotely. I would send a live video feed out of my grading software called Baselight to everyone's Panasonic OLEDs, whether the clients were in the same building reference monitors that provide a true-to-life color reproduction, precise detail, and consistency. Panasonic OLED TVs excel in meeting these requirements. With their color accuracy, deep blacks, and wide dynamic range, this reference monitor enabled us to make nuanced adjustments, evaluate fine detail, and ensure consistent grading across the remote locations the creatives were in. Having worked with these OLEDs for many years, I knew we could trust the images that the filmmakers were viewing. Their reliability and stability throughout the color grading process instilled confidence in the filmmakers, knowing that the image on the monitor accurately reflected their creative decisions. For the last few episodes, once lockdown eased, all of the filmmakers were able to be in the same room together for the HDR grade pass. Viewing on the Panasonic OLED in my grade suite, we were able to take full advantage of the high dynamic range technology. Emphasizing the contrast between light and dark and adding more depth and dimension to the scenes, bringing out subtle nuances in skin tone, textures, vivid hues to enhance the storytelling where we could. With home cinema advancements, audiences can now enjoy films and TV as intended. Accurate colors hold the key to preserving the filmmaker's vision and creating an immersive cinematic experience. Panasonic OLED TVs, with their color accuracy and reliability, make them the ideal choice for filmmakers and colorists in post-production. Catch The Wheel of Time Season 2 out on September 1st on Amazon Prime.